How to solve Samsung's signal problems. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a few methods to fix if you are facing the signal problems on your Samsung device. So if you are one of those unlucky users who are facing the signal issue, follow these simple steps to fix the problem. The first thing you need to do is turn off data roaming. In order to do that, you have to access your phone settings first, then head over to connections. Once you are on your connections, go ahead and tap on mobile networks. And then on the very top, you'll see data roaming. If this is turned on, you just want to turn this one off. Then the second thing that you want to do is reset your SIM card tray. So for example, if your SIM card is facing any issue, resetting it by ejecting it and placing it back again will fix most of your problems. So just try it out. The third thing that you can do is go ahead and quickly restart your phone because a quick restart can fix a lot of troubles. Sometimes you might facing some bugs and glitches, and after restarting your phone will fix it automatically. The next thing that you can do is reset your network settings. So if you refresh your network settings, it might help because it will reset all of your settings that you've previously chosen and completely refresh your device. To do that, just scroll down and find your general management. Go ahead and tap on reset right here. And once you do that, go ahead and reset your mobile network settings. Just tap on it and then choose your SIM card and then just tap on reset settings. After doing all of this, your phone should start working normally. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.